Hello and welcome students. Today we're going to do the fourth module of Excel. It is Microsoft Excel module 4 SAM project 1A, and the title of this project you can see that is Alanis Park Department Analyze and Chart Financial Data. So heading towards the first step, that is okay, this is the scenario. You have to read it and make it understand, because this is the scenario you are given. And more, I will directly switch to the first step. Switch to spending worksheet. This is the spending worksheet. In the range E5 to E10, add a conditional formatting to show solid blue data bars. Solid blue data bars in E5 to E10. This is E5 to E10. To add solid blue data bars, go to the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, Data Bars, and Solid Fill Blue Data Bar. So we are done with this step. In the range F5 to F10, add a spark line based on the range B5 to E10. So this is the range we have to insert spark lines. First of all, select the range, go to the Insert tab, and here you can see line spark line. So line spark line, yes, line spark line. And the range that we are going to use, that is B5 to E10. I think B5 to E10. Yes, B5 to E10. So on based on this range, we are to put column spark line here. Apply, moving to step number 3. Apply the blue accent 1 darker 25. Okay, so again select the range, go to the spark line tab, spark line color, that is blue accent 1 darker 25. Blue accent 1 darker 25. That's okay. Now Gordon has created a pie chart that represents the percentage of parks budget that went for each park in 2021. Okay, modify the chart in the range G2 to O20. This is the range. In G2 we have to modify it. Enter 2021 this as a chart title. So I'm just copying the title, going here and pasting it. Next it says change the data labels to include category name as well as percentage. Okay, select the chart elements, data labels, go to more options, category name, category as well as the percentage, and position it. Where's the position? Outside end. Select outside end and remove the legends from the chart. Okay, you can just select the legends and press delete button, so the legends will be removed. We are done with step number 4. Moving to step number 5. Kodan would like a chart representing pie chart representing the percentage of the park's budget. Okay, create a 2D pie chart based on the range E5 to E9 and using A5 to A9. So there are two non-adjacent cells. First is A5 to A9, and again press the control key, select E5 to E9, go to the Insert tab, and here select 2D pie chart. Resize and reposition the chart so the upper left corner is located in G21 and lower in O39. G21 is something like that, and O39 is this one, so we have to bring it one row down. Yeah, that's O39, and this is G21, G and O, so we are good to go with this. And then left align the chart of the pie chart. Okay, now select this one and also select this with the control key, go to the chart format, and here go to the align left. That's already aligned. Now it says customize the chart in the range G21 O39. This G21 O39, yes, and use this text as a title. So I'm just copying the text, copy, and paste it. Wait, yeah, paste it. It's okay, sorry. I'm again just copying it and pasting it. Apply chart style 3. So while selecting this chart, go to the chart design, and here we need to specify 3. So step number 6 is completed. Next it says, let's see how many steps we have. Like it has a total of 13 steps, so we are almost halfway through. So let's do one more. Go then once a stack bar chart showing pending. Okay, create a stack bar chart based on the range A4 to E9. Select the range A4 up to E9, go to the insert tab, recommended chart, and stacked bar chart. Go to the bar, stacked bar chart. Resize and reposition A11 to F39. This is A11 and up to F39. Okay, so we are done almost with 60% of the assignment. Let me know if you want me to upload the second video as well. Do feel free to text me anytime round the clock for your assignments, and you will get an instant reply for that, and these are very economical service in terms of prices. So do text me anytime. I'm available 24/7. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.